our topic is all about the distance between 2 points. Okay, so before we start with our topic, so let us review first about plotting of points. So this time, let us meet Anna and Ben. Okay, Anna's house is located at the point A, which is -2, 3. And Ben's house is at point B, which is 3, 3. So using our Cartesian plane, let us plot first the given ordered pair. Okay, so Anna's house is located at -2, +3. So to identify the exact location of Anna's house, we need to apply the steps on how to plot the given ordered pair. Step 1, start at the origin. Okay, first count the x unit. What is the x unit? -2. If the x unit is negative, the direction is going to the left. How many times? 2. So 1, 2. And then identify the y unit. What is the y unit? 3. Positive. Up, down. Up. So 1, 2, 3. So therefore, this is the exact location of Anna's house. So now let us proceed with Ben's house naman. Located at 3, 3. This is the exact location of Ben's house. Okay, so this time, let us identify how can we measure how far apart they live. Okay, let us identify the distance of Anna's house to Ben's house. Okay, so to find the distance, just count, di ba? Count the distance from Anna's house to Ben's house. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore, Anna's house from the Ben's house is 5 units. Okay, but what if yung bahay ni Anna ay mas malayo sa bahay ni Ben? Sa tingin nyo ba we can count ng mano-mano? Okay, no. So this time, gagamitin natin si horizontal distance. Kailan po anak pumapasok si horizontal distance? Let us observe the given. Okay, if we're going to connect the given or Anna's house to Ben's house, ano yung line na ma-form natin? Horizontal. Kaya horizontal distance ang ating gagamitin. And the formula in finding the horizontal distance we have, okay, we can read this as horizontal distance is equal to, pag may ganito po anak, absolute value yan. Okay, when we say absolute value, the distance of the given points. Okay, di ba nung grade 7 kayo, given yung number line, kinukuha yung absolute value. Ang absolute value anak, laging positive yon. Sa final answer, negative, pero pag kinuha mo yung absolute value, magiging positive pa rin po. Kasi bakit po palaging positive? Ang hinahanap lang po doon anak, yung distance to given points. So, wala namang bearing ko ito ba ay pupunta sa right side o papunta sa left side. Basta ang tanong lang yung distance nila sa isa't isa. Naintindihan po? Okay, so this time, let us use this formula to find the distance given the coordinates. Okay, so now step number 1. Write first the given. So, our given, we have -2, 3. And the second ordered pair, we have 3, 3. So, step number 1, write the given. Then, step number 2, put a label. Okay, how to put a label? So since this is the first coordinate, so what we're going to do, we need to put x and y. Okay, on the top, we have x and y. So this is another coordinates, tama? So put another x and y. So dahil ito yung first coordinate, dahil pareha silang x and y, so para hindi tayo malitol, we need to write 1 and 2. So this is the x of 1, y sub 1. And then dito naman, x sub 2, y sub 2. So meaning this is the first coordinate and this is the second coordinate. Then after that, let us substitute the value of x sub 2 and x sub 1 to the given formula. So distance is equal to the absolute value of x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now identify what is the value of x sub 2. X sub 2, 3. Minus x sub 1, -2. So para hindi magiging redundant, so kasi ito ay subtraction. At ang ilalagay natin ay negative. We need to put another parenthesis. Then after that, simplify na po. Okay. So 3 minus -2. Can be, cannot be? Cannot be. So since ang ating operation ay minus at meron tayong negative sign, we need to apply catch-up. Very good. So first, change the operation to addition and the second one, change the sign of the subtrahend. Si negative magiging positive na po. Now, ang sign ito na. Okay. So we have 3 plus 2. Okay, then 3 plus 2. Okay, 5. Then after that, give me the absolute value of 5. Very good. Positive 5 pa rin po. Diba? Ang absolute value dito po naiiba. Kapag positive, positive pa rin. Kapag negative, gagawin ng positive. Meaning, ang absolute value ay laging positive. So therefore, the distance of Anna's house to Ben's house is 5 units. Na, tama nga yung bilang natin kanina.